Want to learn how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. For turning off restricted mode on YouTube, first of all, go to your YouTube and open up the app just like this. And then tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on Settings, above Help and Feedback. On an Android phone, you need to tap on General on the top. Scroll down. On the bottom, just above Enable Stats for Nerds, here you can see an option of Restricted Mode. And it's telling you that this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. The setting only applies to this app on this device. Tap on the sliding bar on the right corner straight to restricted mode to enable it. So just by doing it, you have turned off restricted mode. And now YouTube is possibly going to hide mature videos and going to help you for it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.